Hi everyone, my name is Sam Sharma and I'm a satellite systems engineer at a startup providing rendezvous, proximity operations, and docking services to our clients. Kind of like the really cool docking scene in Interstellar. I grew up with an interest in astronomy and physics, which led me to always asking why things were the way that they were in the world around us. I'm interested in testing and operations of space systems, mission design, machine learning, and science communication. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of Michigan and a master's in space engineering, also from the University of Michigan. During university, I led the science and mission ops engineering teams for the mighty CubeSat team. I worked on machine learning algorithms for NASA Goddard through an internship and actively mentored several STEM organizations, including teaching robotics to high school students. I'm excited to share my experiences and perspectives on SpaceVrse. See you all online!